My name is Adrian, and I'm going to explaining systems of equations with substitution. So I'm going to be solving for x and y, and my two problems here are y equals 5x plus 15 and y equals 5x minus 20. So substitution comes in right here. You have this right here, we're going to bring it down for that y, basically substitute it in there, right there. And when you get this big one right here, right there, and we want to get the two x's on the same side. So I subtracted this 5x right here and brought it right here, because you have to do it to both sides basically. So it basically canceled out right there, and it left 15 equal to negative 20, which can't happen. So it's a no solution. And it's a no solution because if you were to graph this, they have the same slope. So there's nowhere that problem would intersect. So there's no coordinate or answer where they would intersect. And that's it.